Welcome back to the Honestips Arena, where the first Robot Toys Olympics 2018 takes place. In this second video, we'll see two new events. The third event is called On Target. We'll try to find the robot that is most precise when moving from one place to another. Participants will run through a course according to a specific program. They'll have to knock down 4 obstacles and finally reach a target. Each robot must repeat this same course 3 times. The score will be the sum of the 3 arrivals on the target. The 10 robots compete against each other. Despite being a simple course that needs fewer than 20 programming commands of going forward and turns, some robots turned out to be quite inaccurate and could not knock down all the obstacles the 3 times they had to run through it. On other occasions, they could hardly reach the target at all. After the elimination round, we'll see only the 2 most accurate robots compete, the lively Q and the charming Cosmo. Get set, go! The first turn is clean for both robots. They reach the first obstacle and knock it down. They now continue in the opposite direction and reach the second obstacle with 2 more obstacles to go. In this event, time is not important. What matters most is the ability to move through the course and finish it 3 times in a row in the most similar way. Now we see the 3 arrivals of both robots. After the corresponding measurements, Q is the winner of this event by a very small margin. Q is not just fun and games, it's also a precise and accurate machine.
Wow.
These are the points obtained by each robot and the positions of Event 3. Now we go to the 4th event, called What's Up World? We're going to evaluate how robots perceive the world through their sensors and what great cool and things they can do with the information obtained by those sensors. In 10th place is Cupetto. It has no sensors of any kind. Number 9, R2-D2 app-enabled droid. It only has an accelerometer. This sensor detects when the robot moves, stops, or is lifted. At number 8 is Droid Inventor Kit. It has a proximity sensor bit to detect objects. Number 7, Gmu Builder Bot. It has a proximity sensor, which allows it to lift objects that it finds in its path. Number 6, Ozabot Bit. It has line-following sensors and color sensors that read colors as code. Number 5, Spark. It has an accelerometer and gyroscope sensors. Spark uses these to balance and orient itself when it moves from one place to another. Number 4, Mbot has a proximity sensor, a line-following sensor between its 2 front wheels, and a light sensor. Number 3, Q. It has 3 proximity sensors, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. 3 microphones detect where sound comes from. At number 2 is Boost Creative Toolbox. It has a tilt sensor, which detects if the robot is tilted, and also a double sensor, which detects colors and also works as a proximity sensor. And coming in at number 1 is Cosmo. It has a cliff sensor to avoid falling off the table, a gyroscope to orient itself when it's upside down, an accelerometer that detects whenever Cosmo is shaken or when it moves, and also a VGA camera with computer vision to recognize its cubes, people, and pets.
Wow.
Here we see the table of positions of Event 4. This is the scoring table at the end of Day 2 of the Olympics with the sum of the scores of the 4 events. We've now finished with Day 2 of the Robot Toys Olympics. Visit us on Honestips.com to learn more about these great athletes and other robotic toys. As always, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.